Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many users face the error this site can't be reached while opening websites on Chrome or other browsers on their phone. You type the website address, but the page does not load and keeps showing this error. To fix this, open your browser first. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on Settings. Next, tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and tap on Use Secure DNS. Make sure this option is turned on. Now tap on Choose another provider. From the list, select Cloudflare. This helps fix DNS-related loading issues and improves connection stability. After selecting Cloudflare, close the browser and open it again. Now try opening the website that was not loading earlier. In most cases, the site will open normally after changing the DNS. If the website still does not open, then the issue is different. Some websites block access from specific countries. If your country is blocked, the site will not load no matter what browser you use. In that case, using a trusted VPN is the only option to access the website. Do not try random methods or unknown apps, as they can harm your device or data. This fix works for Chrome and most other Android browsers. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more browser fixes and phone troubleshooting tips.